Guys, Manscaped is not just for your balls.
Your whole body, as a man, you need to take care of it. It's important. We need to manscape ourselves.
Now, this right here is the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra.
With their next-gen dual SkinSafe blade heads.
Swappable heads make it the most dynamic, in my humble pube guy opinion.
The gold standard of grooming.
When I'm cleaning up my face, it's always the Beard Hedger Pro from Manscaped.
I call this the one tool to rule them all.
Honestly, if you're in the market for a new trimmer, I definitely recommend this.
The built-in zoom wheel including 20 different lengths.
Also features the SkinSafe technology, and did I mention it's waterproof?
This right here, this is a game changer.
So we have the Handyman Compact Face Trimmer.
With its SkinSafe technology to help reduce nicks and cuts.
The Handyman's big trick is this super clever dual blade system.
It's also the perfect travel companion, so it's airplane friendly, so you can stay sharp wherever you go.
Manscaped are truly the best to ever do it when it comes to men's grooming.
Something for your face, something for your body. Head over to manscaped.com right now and check it out for yourself.